Yo, what's up sa inyo mga lagad? Ang maghaharap ngayon ay Barangay Ginebra versus Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Abang-abang to. Mamaya sa PBA Commissioners Cup. Yes, go! Tara, laro na natin to.
Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining us for NBA action on 2K Sports. Joined by Coach Stan Van Gundy and Grant Hill. This is Brian Anderson. Allie LaForce is our reporter. We've got the visitors facing the home team. Now the starting group for the visitors. Pass to Thompson. Just 5 to shoot. The 3 ball. Off the left rim and out. And here's the fast break. Thompson, that's good.
Woohoo! Just great work cashing in on the fast break.
Well, converting on those transition opportunities is just so important.
Now here's Thompson. Tipped. And about a minute gone in the first quarter. There's a screen. Brownlee. And he drives in. The steal. From 13. Here's Thompson. And the slam dunk by Thompson.
And that's why you don't give up on the glass.
Man, his efforts well rewarded right there.
Well, that's what he does. He makes an impact with his activity on the boards.
Thompson with some nice D.
And the shooter had very little space on that attempt.
There's no air space there whatsoever. That's as close as you can get without foul.
Defensively, you have to stay connected to him on the perimeter.
Thompson outside. And that time also a missed shot.
Just brutal. I mean, 5 straight misses to begin the game.
Here's Thompson, and the layup is good after a nice lead pass. Thompson's got 6.
And they've settled in quickly today. A nice flowing rhythm to their offense.
Inside. Ooh, Thompson with the block. Well, if you're just tuning in, we've played about 2.5 minutes here in the first.
The D hasn't been quick enough to react to the ball inside. That's helped cause this run.
And he's got his first opportunity at the line here tonight. That free throw is good from Thompson. And the visitors call time here.
There's no way Coach likes this effort level. They need to refocus.
Yeah, you have to take a timeout in a situation like this. Stop the bleeding a bit and regroup.
And a little over 2.5 minutes gone here in the first. And here's Thompson for 3. Sinks the tray.
And that ends their drought. You could feel the frustration building with each miss.
Yeah, and sometimes that's just how it goes, but also we've got to give credit to the defense. They're not making it easy out there.
And he gets it back. And here's Thompson for 3. The shot off that time. It's a 9-point spread. Brownlee. Offline with a 3.
Yeah.
To the inside. Here's Thompson. Off with the layup. And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. With the drive, Brownlee. Oh, swiped away. And that one is stuffed right through.
The offensive game plan is clear. Get it inside and go to work.
Yeah, and until the defense makes an adjustment, there's no reason to go away from what they're doing.
And a moment now to take a look at a terrific player who has earned the Player of the Week in the Western Conference.
Oh, it's been so much fun to watch him on the offensive end recently. He's really his team's engine on that end of the floor, sparking plays and helping them find open shots and big points. Yeah, you never want to let shots at the rim go uncontested.
First personal foul, second team foul. At the line for your home team, number 3. 2 shots.
Take a break. Take a break. 2 shots.
And the first one at the line is good. So he gets them both.
Well, he's been very good at the line, and we all know free throws can make or break you in the end.
He drains that one after 2 misses. Now 1 for 3.
Well, the players will say, mouse in the house. Great job to use his size to expose the smaller defender inside.
Thompson outside. The 3 hits the 3-pointer.
And this defense needs to turn the screws and ramp up the intensity. They're looking a little loose out there right now.
Brownlee, defended by Thompson. Takes a 3. He drains that one after 2 misses. Now 1 for 3.
The defense gave him a little space, and he took advantage.
To the left side wing. From behind the arc. The shot no good.
So far, rebounding has been a focal point for them.
Brownlee. Misses in close.
Everything right except the finish. Have to keep focused all the way through the play.
Launches a 3. No good that time.
He is just so deadly from out there. You expect that to fall.
Here's Thompson. Brownlee. Oh, he gets it to fall, and that makes it just a single-digit deficit.
Well, when you have a scorer as skilled as he is, you do everything you can to get him the looks he needs.
The home team calls timeout. Deflected.
Out of bounds. The ball goes to the away team. Two minutes remaining in the first.
Now Thompson. .152 left to play in the first. Basket's good. And there's a pick. Takes it inside. 3-pointer. Missed it. Now 0 for 1 on this game. .119 left in the first. On the wing, Thompson. 6 to shoot. That shot off.
They've been just a little bit better on the glass so far, showing their tremendous work ethic. Just great energy on the offensive glass. That's exactly how you cut into a lead.
Boy, a slam like that is sure to give them a spark. They still need this. And it's good. First made shot in 4 attempts.
And for the defense, that is a heart-sinking moment when you see him that wide open from beyond the arc.
Now here's Thompson. Over to the left wing. Fires the three. Missed it. Now 0 for 1 on this game. Drives to the hoop. And a nice finish on the layup.
They played with fantastic energy from the opening tip.
Yeah, they've come out with more energy and effort, and that's reflected in the score.
16 feet out. And as we conclude the first quarter, a one-sided game so far. Up by 10. And we'll bring you the start of quarter number 2 when we return. And if you're just tuning in, we've got a wide margin on the scoreboard, but plenty of time left for a comeback. And from what we've seen here from the home team, what's your take so far?
Just excellent first quarter defense. They've been really getting after it.
Yeah, but it's hard to keep that kind of intensity for the entire game. But if they can come close to that, they'll be in a great spot.
From the arc. And that's good. His first bucket of the game.
This defense is getting spaced out. 3 of the last 5 buckets have come from way beyond the arc.
To the paint. Intercepted. Down low. Oh, a great 1-2 punch. Beautiful pass and a nasty jam.
Talk about taking advantage of the opportunity.
How about the anticipation right there that led to the steal? Then he goes straight to the bucket.
Turning great defense into great offense. That's the kind of stop you're looking for.
And there's the lob.
I would imagine it's nearly impossible to not get fired up after that play.
Grant, check these guys out on the bench. Their reaction says it all. They are fired up. Quarter number 2 with just over a minute of play. Shot clock at 5. The 3 is up. And no good. Second quarter here, just over a minute and a half played. And there's the screen. There's the triple. Gets the 3 ball to go.
Easy look when the defender isn't fighting over the screen.
Yeah, it's certainly worth it to disrupt the offense. Coaches notice that extra effort.
Out to the wing. This one for 3. The shot misses. They can shade the deficit to single digits right here. And a little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the second quarter. Takes the 3. And can't get it to go. Now 1 of 2. And he ends that fast break chance. An intentional foul. That's a textbook example of the transition take foul rule.
Number 25.
So both teams changing it up here. And we're just over 2.5 minutes into the second. Out to the right wing. Driving inside. And so he draws the foul. Headed to the line to shoot a pair.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
On Thursday, then on Sunday.
At the line for 2, number 25.
Take a break. Take a break. 2 shots.
And he knocks down the first one. both good from the line that time.
0 wasted trips. They're doing their job at the line.
And the visitors call time here. Brownlee, defended by Thompson. Out to Thompson. Here's the three. And he misses. Only 2 for 6. Pass to Thompson.
And that puts them just 1 foul from the bonus.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Throw back. Brownlee, defended by Thompson.
He put a little flair on that one.
Yes, he did. Man, he's a strong finisher, huh? And here in the second quarter of action, as we approach 4 minutes played, and he gets it to go.
And this is what you want to do when you've got a big lead. You must stay aggressive.
Yeah, they're being absolutely relentless, building this lead in every way possible.
Now here's Thompson. Six on the shot clock. He's off on the layup. Thompson's gone 1 for 3 from the field here. Going inside. Yep, that one's good.
Like a matador. Olay! There was no defense. That has to be one of the easier shots I've seen tonight.
An unorganized defense like that is not going to help them close this deficit.
Off the mark with the outside fadeaway.
Nice rebound. Trying to match the other team's intensity right now.
Lets the three fly. Pure from three-point range. Give him 8.
It took him a while to get his legs under him. He didn't do much in the first quarter, but now he's off and running.
And the visitors call time here.
Substitution on the court.
Any hope of coming back to win this game looks near impossible.
I know. The way things have gone so far, hard to imagine.
Now here's Thompson. And it's in there.
That's been the story of their offense so far, getting a number of looks from point-blank range.
Thompson pulls it in. Stolen. The three is up. Another missed shot. He's 1 of 5, looking shaky out there.
2 minutes remaining in the first half. 2 minutes.
Puts up a 3. Can't get it to drop. We've got 1:48 left in the first half of this game. It's tipped. Tries to save it.
Out of bounds.
And so ball out of bounds. Thompson touched it last.
Nice deflection there. Really trying to disrupt their offensive flow.
Yeah, there's nothing easy on offense. Coaches love seeing that kind of hustle on the defensive end.
And that's how you defend. He wasn't showing any mercy with that swat.
You know, you can't ask for any better defense than that. He responded so fast to the shooter, and it stifled him.
4 on the clock. The three.
Well, this is certainly not the game he was hoping for offensively, but they've been able to find points as a team even without his contributions. Well, that's what you're looking for. Shots from point-blank range.
We've got 1:13 left in the first half. That's tipped. And they're running. Finished off the break. Thompson's got 5 now.
Incredible. I mean, high energy in transition. Just beating the defense up the floor.
Yeah, the commitment to run is paying great dividends on the break.
The home team calls timeout. Buries it. He's 2 for 4 in this game.
Well, that's easy pickings for him. Unless the defense is all over him, he'll take that all day long.
For 3. That's his 5th miss. Only made 2 shots in this one so far. Shot blocked. 4 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. Beyond the arc. And from the field after that one, 3 for 4 now. Let's go with a 3. The shot, no good. It could go. That shot off the mark. And so that brings the first half to a close. Up 11. We'll see you after halftime for the beginning of the third quarter.
30.
Welcome. One thing that stands out to me, guys, is the disparity in free throws. They need a new recipe for getting to the line.
Yeah, Fury. Taking a peek now at... Thanks for joining us. Time to head...
And with a big gap on the scoreboard, the second half begins with very different goals for these teams. One side trying to mount a comeback, one side trying to protect their lead. Pass to Thompson. Oh, and makes it with the kiss. Thompson's got 11.
Another shot right in the lane. That's been their MO this evening.
And he banks in the layup.
Probably a play they drew up in the locker room at half.
Yeah, I like how they're establishing their interior presence right away. That's going to collapse the defense and create other opportunities.
Thompson with it to the middle. And he goes strong with the one-handed jam.
Hey, kept it simple. No reason to get fancy right now, BA.
Yeah, he's just looking to find shots and produce for his team. Pass to Thompson. A deep three. No good on that one. He's 5 for 8. And with a little over a minute gone by, the second half is underway. Fires the three. Thompson pulls it in. Thompson's got 4 rebounds now. Fires from deep. Nails it from 3. He's got 14.
He's been a piece of the puzzle tonight, but it's a team effort. Everyone's contributing to this lead.
Just over 1.5 minutes have passed in the third quarter. Here's Thompson. Clock at 6. Brownlee. Drops in the 3.
Good, solid start to the half, hitting 3 out of 4.
Boy, this offense has been dynamic and diversified.
Just everyone sharing the ball and sharing the load makes you difficult to defend.
The home team calls timeout. Into the third. 2 minutes in now. And he makes no mistake. Slam dunk.
Oh, nice one-handed jam there, BA.
Hey, a little exclamation point. Thompson scanning the floor. Defended by Thompson. Oh, and he got fouled on his way up. He'll head to the line to shoot 2.
Shooting for the away team.
The first free throw is good.
At the line for 2.
And so he makes both from the line. Not quite 2.5 minutes played here in the second half. Tipped away. Here we go, one-on-one. To the left wing. Shot clock at 6. And they recover it. Pass to Thompson. And that goes out of bounds. And they'll keep possession.
Coming onto the floor for the away team. Holt, number 4.
Right around 3 minutes into this second half. Clock at 2. Hey, expanding his range. Thompson pulls it in. Thompson's got 5 rebounds in the game. The floater. It doesn't go for him. Third quarter of basketball here. A little under 3.5 minutes gone by. Not going to go that time.
Well, give credit to the defense for cutting him off. Normally, that'd be easy points for him at the rim.
Nails it from beyond the arc. He has 6.
Slow reaction from the D, and it cost him 3.
Brownlee sinks that one. Now shooting 5 of 10 and looking sharp.
Great timing and coordination. Lays it in coming off that pick.
Up top, Thompson. And there it is for him. Thompson's got 7 now in this quarter.
The assist numbers certainly stand out. They've really emphasized ball movement here today.
Reverses. Ooh, Thompson with the block. Oh, he picked him clean. Down low. Well-timed pass, and he goes straight to the bucket for the layup.
That's just a great pass. Excellent vision to see the open spot in the defense and lead him to the score.
The home team calls timeout. So it's the home team now. Inside. And he caught that pass in full stride on his way to the big slam.
Well, he's a bit of an undersized center. However, his leaping ability can certainly mask that.
And the visitors call time here. Brownlee. And he got the whistle on the way up. So he'll be headed to the line for a pair. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. And he makes a first.
Brownlee, 2 shots.
And that's good as he hits both shots. From downtown, no luck on that one.
And the defense got away with one there. I mean, that's a shot he typically makes.
It's stolen away. And they're on the run. And a foul called on the way up. So he'll take 2 from the free throw line.
Second team foul. At the line for your home team, number 1.
And they want a second opinion on that call. The signal for the coach's challenge has been made.
People were worried that this would slow the action down. But with so many close calls, the previous play is under review. Policy in 2019.
You know, one thing this does for a coach is let his players know he's got their back. If they're adamant that the call...
After the review, the ruling on the floor is overturned.
So they see clear evidence of a bad call, and they're going to overturn it. Probably the right decision.
And give credit to the officials for recognizing the mistake and correcting it. Nobody likes to say they got it wrong, but they fixed it in a hurry.
And he stepped on the line, so they turn it over.
Substitution on the court.
Jacks up a 3. It's not going to go for him. And keeping us updated from the sideline, Allie LaForce.
The NBA is focused on the next generation. Commissioner Adam Silver said a lot of top draft picks are incredibly skilled, but that doesn't necessarily translate to being team basketball players. There's an opportunity for us to be more active participants in developing younger players and getting kids active. BA?
One step ahead, Allie. Thanks. Ooh, took him no time at all to get that one. 11 points in the game.
Hey, whatever coach told him during the break is beginning to pay off.
1:25 left in the third quarter. That shot is off. And a chance to add to the lead here.
Yeah, BA, they should really stick with what they've been doing.
Wasted no time with that shot, but it's off the mark. Finds it again. 6 for 12 and remaining assertive.
And he was dominant in their last outing. And the same thing here tonight. He is in a terrific groove right now.
Yeah, for sure. He is just oozing confidence. Thinks every shot is going in. They should just keep running sets for him.
There's 53 seconds left to play in the third quarter here. the paint. It's picked off. Nice move. Doesn't go that time. With the floater. Can't capitalize inside. Launches it. He can't hit that time.
Well, he hasn't had a great night shooting the ball, but they're in the lead, and that's the only thing that matters.
Oh, no good on the last second attempt there. And here at the end of the third, it's a double-digit ball game. They lead by 13. And we'll have the start of the fourth quarter for you as soon as we get back from this short break.
Dyan, mamaya laban.
And now we have a moment to reveal our State Farm assist of the game.
Yeah, just shredding the defense with that feed. Zero chance to stop that.
Now that is an elite level dig. What a great pass.
And we reach the fourth quarter in a game that may already be out of hand. No good from outside. From the corner, he gets it in there.
Well, you love the unselfishness, makes the next pass, and enables his team to capitalize on the possession.
Floats one. And it goes. As the official calls the foul, count it, and he'll shoot one more at the line.
First personal foul, first team foul. At the line for the away team.
And here's Thompson for three. And he gets it to go. He's 8 of 11 now.
They are unconscious from outside. And so far, the defense has had no answer.
Look, when the three is falling like this, there's not a whole lot you can do defensively.
Lets it go from deep. That one no good.
Well, with his team leading, he might just want to put that one in his pocket next time.
Brownlee. Unable to get that one. Final quarter of play, about a minute and a half off the clock.
Away team foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Into the lineup for your home team. Number 1, Adrian. Number 1.
On defense, the visiting team. Down by 15.
As the deep shots continue to fall, you can sense the frustration growing among these defenders.
They set the screen. Out left to the wing. Fires for three. Thompson pulls it in. Thompson's got rebound number 7 tonight. From deep. They get it back. Three-pointer. The shot won't fall.
And he almost made them regret defending him so loosely.
Defended by Thompson. To the wing on the left. Out to the wing. Just 5 on the clock. Thompson with the block. If you're just joining us, fourth quarter here. We're just over 2.5 minutes into it.
And I love how he's pushing pushing the tempo and creating for others. He does this game in and game out. Incredible.
Yeah, when you're moving the ball like that, it just keeps everyone engaged in the game.
They need this. Sinks it from distance.
Well, those go down for him in his sleep.
One side is dominated tonight.
Yeah, they've done a fantastic job of imposing their pace and style of play.
Shot from the wing. Can't hit that one.
Those are precisely the looks this team is trying to create.
Yeah, quality offense will serve you well in the long run. You can't settle for bad shots.
Stolen by Thompson. 4-3. On target from range.
Wow, their opponent is doing a tremendous job spacing the floor.
All right, Stan, what's one rule you'd change if you could be commissioner for a day?
Well, first thing I want to know, Brian, if I get to be commissioner for the day, for that day, do I get Adam Silver's salary?
100%.
Brian, I'd get rid of all the replays.
All the replays. No more reviews. Human factor.
No reviews, no challenges. Let's play the game and keep the flow of the game going.
From outside the arc. No luck on that one. And he drops in the layup off the glass. Boy, this could snowball if they continue to put up points.
I can't say enough about their performance.
There's the three. And he can't get that one to go. His 6th miss in 10 tries. Throws it up high. Oh, he touched it while it was over the cylinder. That's offensive basket interference. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off.
A savage reverse jam. That takes great body control.
No question. He was making a statement right there, man. They get the rebound. To the inside. And he throws it down. What a terrific lead pass.
Well, sharp interior passing is so important. The best way to create high percentage buckets.
Shoots from the elbow, and down it goes. 2 points.
You really have to question the defensive effort on that possession.
Yeah, I got to agree. Their defensive commitment's got to be a lot better.
Brownlee. The basket's good. Off the assist from Thompson. Thompson's got 6 assists in the game.
Away team foul. Number 4. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution on the court.
More and more, we're seeing international players come into the league who are NBA ready, Grant.
It really is a sight to see, BA. And some of those guys start playing pro ball when they're 16 or 17 years old. It toughens you up real quick playing against older competition at that age. Hey, when in doubt, run the defender off the screen.
And you know, with a result like that, we'll see them run it again.
Yeah, defensive breakdown there. Gotta communicate and switch that screen.
Now here's Thompson. It's stolen. A minute 42 left in the final quarter. Pass to Thompson. 4 on the clock. Fires it. Ooh, great D on that shot, and it's off the mark. And here is Thompson. Hey, Grant, when you look at the mentality of today's players, what are the differences from back in your day?
Well, BA, Through the wonders of technology, players interacting more directly with their fans and telling their own stories. Also, there's a brotherhood. It's a bit more brotherly, with players on different teams more friendly than in days past. You know, I'm not sure how I feel about that.
The teardrop. The shot comes out. 43 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Played it in with a nice touch off the window.
This is what winning is all about. Playing your best when it matters most.
Yeah, they've got clutch guys on this team, and they never let up.
On the wing, Thompson. And he's going for the lob. Ooh, anticipated the pass. It's a turnover. And so the home crowd treated to a win. They didn't have too many problems tonight.
They didn't. Just a tremendous team.
Yeah.